Hey Google, turn on bedroom lamp.
Honey, honey, I can see the stars all the way from here. Can't you see the glow on the window pane? I can feel the sun whenever you're near. Every time you touch me, I just melt away. Everybody asks me why I'm smiling up from ear to ear. But I know, oh, nothing's perfect, but it's worth it after fighting through my tears. Finally, you put me first, baby, it's you. You're the one I love. You're the one I need. You're the only one I see. Come on, baby, it's you. You're the one that gives your all. You're the one I can always call when I need to make everything stop. Finally, you put my love on. Good morning, everyone. I am on my way to 7 a.m. hot yoga. It actually feels really nice to be out in the city very early. I've never seen Park Avenue this empty. Although there's quite a few cars around and the sun came up, so I don't feel like unsafe or anything walking to yoga. The city just feels so peaceful right now. I just finished doing my hair and makeup, and normally I would just cook myself something to eat after working out, but today I think I'm gonna grab something to eat on the way to the cafe. I decided to go to a cafe to get some editing done today, and I found that that really helps with my productivity. Sometimes when I'm home and working, I just want to sit on the couch or go to bed and just like watch Netflix all day, but if I'm at a cafe, I'm kind of forced to get my work done there. So as you guys saw, I took my morning slow and I did my whole routine, so it's actually almost lunchtime. I'm debating on what to eat. Anyway, I'm gonna pack my bag and head out, and we'll decide on the way there.
very nice weather right now. It was a little bit chillier in the morning, but the weather definitely warmed up, so I don't even need a jacket. I realized that the cafe that I'm going to is right by Lise, which is one of my favorite Korean dessert shops, so I'm just gonna grab something quick there.
Can you kiss me more? We're so young, but we ain't got nothing to lose. Oh, oh, it's just principle. Baby, hold me, 'cause I like the way you groove. Oh, oh, boy, you write your name, I can do the same. Ooh, I love the taste. Ooh, la, 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 la. All on my tongue, I want it. Boy, you write your name, I can do the same. Ooh, I love the taste. Ooh, la, 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 la. All on my tongue, I want it. Say, give me a bug, need a goose and stop. Push the limit, no, you ain't good enough. All you boys say that you lost me, don't me. All my girls feel like I does the county. Fucking with you feel like jail, buddy. I can't even excel, buddy. Cook it like holy grail, you know that. You gon' make me live brave, you know that. Caught sleeping with your friend, you ain't even that man lying on you. You know that. Got me a back to the brick, you know that. Control the slow, the face if I draw back. This ass for real. Drama make you feel.
I just got home and I got some sugarfish to go. I was actually gonna eat it there, but all the tables were filled, so I wasn't sure if I can get a seat or not, but luckily they do take out. I love sugarfish because they have very high quality sushi. Nice treat to myself for a productive day. Let me show you guys what it looks like. So I got the to-go light set. It comes with 4 pieces of nigiri and 8 maki rolls. It also comes with all of these condiments, some edamame and tuna sashimi. And I got my ipuro, which is one of my favorite Korean drinks. So excited to eat. Wow, that just melted in my mouth. So good. Gone way too fast. I just changed into more comfortable clothes, and I don't know about you guys, but I'm one of those people that can't wear outside clothes, especially if I'm gonna be on the couch or my bed. I think I'm gonna tidy up the house a bit. Need to vacuum the floors, and there's just like a lot of random clutter going on. Also, since the weather's warming up, I think I'm gonna reorganize my closet and just put away all the winter knits and coats and bring out the spring summer stuff. I've been holding back on doing that because it is a lot of work. It's a little time consuming, and it's also been kind of cold in New York, but I think we should be good now because it's looking consistently warm for at least the next week. So I'm gonna turn on some music and get cleaning. So I just finished doing my closet, and I'm actually really glad that I did that today because now I feel like I have a fresh start to the season. The sun is starting to set now, so I think I'm just gonna wind down. I'm probably gonna read a book that I recently bought. We went to the Strand bookstore in Union Square recently, and I picked up a very well-known Korean book called The Cabinet. I bought the version that was translated to English. So since I did a lot of work on my computer today, I'm gonna go read my book. When I went to Lise before, I bought some of their shortbread cookies. So I'm gonna have some right now with tea. They're so cute. It's shaped like a little flower, and they're baked fresh daily. My God, so soft. Oh, that's hot. So I'm actually gonna wrap up the night by doing a little gratitude journal. I use the Good Notes app on my iPad, and I like that you can create different notebooks. I have one notebook to plan out my YouTube schedules, and I also have another notebook for my journal. I'm also gonna wrap up the video here. Thank you guys so much for watching and staying tuned till the end if you're still watching. I hope you guys enjoyed my 6 a.m. morning routine as well as my very productive day today. I'm so glad that I got a lot of things done. Now I'm just gonna wash up and get ready for bed. So thank you again for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!